this chapter we are going to learn chapter 30. Now in the last chapter we learned about end position adverbials or adverbs. Now those were adverbs that told us how a particular verb or an action was done. In today's chapter we are going to learn about the mid position adverbials or mid position adverbs. Now these are the types of adverbs or the types of words that tell us how regularly a particular verb is done or how frequently we do it. Now let us have a look at these sentences so that we can have a look and try to identify the mid position adverbials used in these sentences. Let us have a look at the first sentence here. A bookshop always sells books. Now you must know that when we are talking about a mid-position adverbial, these type of verbs are always used after the subject and before the verb, so that we can know who we are talking about and when a particular verb was done or how frequently, how regularly that verb was done. So here in this sentence, a bookshop always sells books. Now here when we talk about always means it does it every day or it does it continuously for a long period of time. So here when we are talking about a bookshop, we all know that when we talk about bookshops, we mean a place where we go and buy books. So a bookshop is a place where we can buy books from and we can buy different types of stationeries. So a bookshop always sells books. How frequently does it sell books? It sells books always. So here the adverb or the adverbial that is used is always. Now let us look at the second sentence. We often find bottles in the sea. As I told you, mid-position adverbs are used after the subject and before the verb or the action that we have done. So what do we find or how regularly do we find bottles in the sea? We often find them. Often means a lot of time. When we go to sea, we usually see a lot of plastic bottles thrown around or we often see them. Means we see them a lot of times. So here often, the word often is the adverb that we have used in this sentence. And the next sentence here, number 3. We never go to school on Sundays. How regularly do you go to school on Sundays? How many of you go to school on Sundays? No one. Nobody goes to school on Sundays. So here we have written, we never go to school on Sundays. Never means not a single Sunday we go to school. Here the word never, it tells us about the frequency of times we go to school on Sundays or the regularity or how many times a particular verb was done. Number 4, Raj always knows the answer. Similarly, the word always is a adverb. Now here the mid-position adverb is used after the subject and before the verb. So how often or how regularly or how many times does Raj know the answer? He knows the answers always. So here the word always is a mid-position adverb because it tells us about how many times the verb was done. Next sentence, the boys sometimes play after school. How many times do the boys play after school? How regularly do the boys play after school? Here we have used sometimes. Sometimes means a little time, not a lot of days, not many days, but maybe once in a while they play after school. So here the word sometimes is the adverb that we have used in this sentence. Now let us look at the last sentence here. Mother always cooks for me. Now how often or how regularly does mother cook for us? Mother cooks for us always. So here the answer is always. So I hope children you have understood how we are going to identify the mid position adverbials in the sentence. Thank you.